Okay, the Heart, and I'm here to share my experience at Fawn Day at their headquarters. So we did a make and take, which I'll show you at the end. So if you're local, I think maybe because I think Scrapbook Expo was this weekend, they had opened up for the headquarters. I think they do it like twice a year, I'm not sure. But anyway, I did not go to Scrapbook Expo. It's on in Ontario. It's like an hour away, but an hour away, kind of opposite where I want to be. So this is about 45 minutes from my house. I live in Orange County, but I live in North Orange County, and I live in the Cypress, Buena Park area, and then their headquarters are Rancho Santa Margarita, which is it's a little bit of a hike, 45 minutes. So with my purchase, I did get this free 6x6 pattern paper. I also got, they said it was glow in the dark. I don't know, we'll have to see. Twine. And so when you go, they give you like a pen, and so it was fun. And sticker. So they had some items 40% off, so I did buy some of those. I think I might have one or two of these. We'll have to figure it out. But I got that hot foil Merry Christmas and this hot foil Starry Night backgrounds. I've been really getting into my hot foil lately. This maple leaf, which pretty sure I don't have. I got this one right here. It's like this, winter window. This one is a Magic Iris add-on, holly leaves, but you absolutely use it without the Magic Iris. You could just use, whatever you want in the middle. And then these are all 40% off. The snow globe. And let's see, the birdhouse is the one I think I might have. I might have the birdhouse. And then the add-on. So I got those. And then a couple other things that I did get is, they've got stencils now. So this one is Den Sweet Den, which I do have the stamps and dies for sure. And then I also got this one as well, which is their Simply Celebrate Winter Critters. And then I've got this one, this All-Star something or other, and the dies. And then I got some different trimmings or twine, which I thought would be great because I'm going to be making some tags soon. So I've got those, and I've got this green and white. It's got some sparkle in it, so I thought that would be kind of fun for tags. And then some craft, all great for tags. I have a lot of twine, but anyway. I also got these little clippies. These are for cutting your they're snips, wire snips, for cutting your dies apart. Now I have some cutters that are mostly like for jewelry, and I find that the tips are not sometimes pointy enough to get into some of these dies that are very hard to kind of cut apart. And it looks to me like these ones are very pointy, more pointy than these ones. So I am glad I got them actually, because I need some, and they were there. So there you go. I got a ruler. I got a couple glimmer foils because I was there. Some colors I didn't think I had. I got this cool rainbow one, and I also got this cool, it's called Moon Dust, I think. It's kind of an aqua, but more green. I don't know. I liked it, so I got it. And then some paper, which I don't need, but I got wood grain in craft and in white, so it's wood grain, can't really tell. Some black sparkle and some brown sparkle cardstock, which I thought might be fun to use. And it was really fun, and I really enjoyed making the make and take. Kelly helped us with the make and take, the owner. And so we did in two parts. So we did one table, we did the front. Everything is colored for us and cut out. We just needed to kind of put it together. And super cute. And then Kelly helped us with the inside. We did the inside together. Everything was stamped and cut out for us, so it made it easy because she was teaching us how to use this fun mechanism, which is freaking amazing. How stinking cute is that? And so we made this, and it was really, really fun. And look how cute it came out. Oh my gosh. So anyway, that was really fun. I really enjoyed it. Got a cool pen, a couple free gifts. I got to meet Kelly. I got to shop in the store. Really, really fun. Everyone was super, super nice. If you have a chance to go, I highly recommend going. And I don't know how many times they do it. A couple times a year, maybe. I don't know. I want to say that they do it twice a year. But I'm definitely going to go next time. And next time I will bring a list with me because I just kind of went in blind. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Playing with the Heart.